for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we're in a different setup once again. This is my garage because we are going to be carving out some pumpkins for October, better known as Vlogtober, or as I'm calling it this year, Brocktober. And that's why I have these gloves on today, for safety, and they were previously worn and owned by our very own Brock McGinn. See, there's the number 23, and they're used. So you're probably wondering why I have hockey gloves. I mentioned for safety, but today our lovely Canes had a yard sale, gently used equipment and discounted apparel, and I was holding on to these gloves because Griffin found them for me because they had 23 on them, and then I was standing in line, I'm like, what am I gonna do with gloves? These were the price as the Natasha Denona bronze and glam palettes. That's a lot for gloves. Gloves. I know some people are probably like for eyeshadow, but for gloves, this is something I can wear to the games, be obnoxious when it snows, if it snows. I feel like Thanos with the gauntlet, kind of. So, I don't know. Cool. Does it smell like Brock? It smells like gloves.
They clean them.
It probably has some kind of sense of him. Wanted to share with you guys my gloves and Griffin's gold net back here, so found it very fitting to just put a little hockey plug in. I can't recall ever carving pumpkins in my lifetime. That's a lot of years. Target has this lovely Olaf set. I thought that this is gonna be pretty nifty. It's kid safe and friendly, but worst case scenario, I got my gloves because I am pretty clumsy. I could probably cut off my finger easily, but that is not what we're gonna do today, honey. We're not going to the ER.
The most fun part of carving pumpkins.
I thought so. By the way, speaking of cutting, Gryffindor
chopped it off.
Cut off his hair. 10 to 12 inches chopped and donated to wigs and kids. High five, husband. Attaboy. Ugh, stop laughing at me.
Sorry.
Don't laugh at me. Also, 99% of my vlogs are gonna be in collaboration with the lovely Jami Brumfield. She sent me her Vlogtober schedule, and I was like, holy crap, she has a day for everything, and I cannot wait to do some of them, but I chose about maybe a third of her schedule just because it's gonna be really hard to keep up with normal content on top of vlogs, trying to find a happy balance here, but I am very excited that she invited me to be a part of some of these videos. I will leave both my collabs and vlogs playlists to watch previous videos, and if you're visiting from Jamie's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. All right, let's get carving.
I feel like I should have my gloves on. Hold on.
You wanna go? Drop your gloves. You wanna go?
No, I didn't drop them. I didn't drop them. I didn't drop them. I didn't drop them.
Look at that. Magic. Magic. Ooh, spooky. Also, when we were opening up this toolkit, realized that there are stencils, because originally we were gonna do Jack and Sally. Oh, how the tables have turned. I will be doing Olaf. Hail King Olaf, because there was a thing I saw earlier on Facebook about that, about how Big Hero 6 promotes all these strong women, encouraging kids to go to college, and meanwhile someone says, Frozen is the best movie ever. Olaf will rule us all. Hail Olaf! I'm like, that is true. Big Hero 6, definitely underrated. Love it so much. Should have done a Baymax pumpkin. Would have been fairly easy.
Super easy, actually. We can still do it.
No, I want to use the stencils. You know, this is like 101 right here. Griffin was laughing at me. He was like, are you sure you don't want to do a 23 pumpkin? It crossed my mind, not gonna lie. Not sponsored, but just throwing it out there. Costco has these ginormous heavy AF pumpkins for $6.99. I don't know, I feel like the ginormous pumpkins at Teeter are like $12.99. So you can get 2 pumpkins for the price of 1 at Costco. This pumpkin is a thick boy.
Oh, that looks terrifying.
Yes. I mean, it is for Halloween.
That is true.
Oh, I do have a spin!
Okay, sweet.
You're doing spin, I'm doing Olaf. It's like our matching stockings for Christmas.
Yes.
Okay, he looks pretty simple. Knowing me, he's gonna look demonic. I want the easier Olaf, the face, because it'll match Sven, yeah.
Okay.
Man, I'm sure after we put out these pumpkins, I'm sure people are probably be like, so how many kids do you got?
Oh, people already ask us this, because
Yeah.
we have Jack Skellington sitting out front.
We have 2 Jack Skellingtons. Well, we have one inflatable, and then we have like a life-size Jack Skellington that I found at home. Was it last year?
I don't remember.
No, or is it 2 years ago?
I thought that was 2 years ago.
Oh yeah, it was like the first year of having the house, yeah. And it freaks people out when they walk by because it looks like someone is sitting on our porch. All right, smoothest part of the pumpkin. Well, I feel like, I mean, there's lines on his face. That ain't smooth. Do I have to like sand him down? I do have a sander. Don't tempt me. Because when we used to paint coolers in college, we would have to sand down the coolers. I have one somewhere. We just reorganized the garage. Step one, cut this bad boy open and spill out the guts. I got the guts. I got the glory.
All right. Okay. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of just like my head being cut off.
The headless horseman. Ooh.
It's gonna be a terrible cut too.
Is that better?
Which side is the front that you're using?
This is gonna be the front. Teamwork, I'm holding the table. You're doing the actual work. So these kid-friendly tools are pretty legit.
Yeah, they actually do pretty well.
Probably not the best quality because it is bent.
Yeah.
But hey, it's getting the job done. Come on, Thor, dig deep. It wasn't one of those like satisfying moments. You know?
It was not.
It's still not.
It's still far from it, shit.
Oh, oh. I dare you to lick it.
No.
Lick it.
No.
Eat one of the seeds.
I will not.
Oh, bro, come on, it's content. You can recycle it for TikTok. We're gonna do a field test. Oh, it's slimy.
Yeah. There you go, your turn. Now, she's gonna have to scoop it off.
It doesn't smell that bad. I think you're being a little dramatic. What if I flung some of this at you?
I would prefer you not, because then I'm gonna have to clean it up. And I really don't wanna have to clean it up. I cleaned the garage earlier today.
Just for this. This little scooper is not cutting it. Can I get like a better scooper?
Like a spoon?
Is that gonna work better?
Yeah, spoons do sometimes work better.
Yeah, this thing is pretty garbage. I mean, it's doing well, helping me get like the sides off, but with actual scooping, nah. Yeah, this isn't working that well.
Try the big spoon. Okay, you got it out of your system.
Come on, it's like the wedding all over again.
I know, but this is pumpkin and it's nasty.
Yeah, there's paper towels over there. You want some more when you come back?
No, absolutely not. If you do another one, then I am done carving pumpkins.
Oh no. I was pretty pleased with myself that I hit you like right in the face.
Yeah, you got me right in the eye.
Oh no. Glaucoma. I'm gonna set the pumpkin on its side. Trash can. Boom. Oh, here we go. Now we're talking. Now I have to ask. When you went to go get me a spoon, did you suspect I would?
I didn't actually. I thought you were gonna be nice and not do that, but instead you were mean and did it.
Oh, you put too much faith in the heart of the cards.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Ugh.
Like I said, I'll give you $5 if you lick it.
$5 is not worth it, no.
What about a full Costco pizza to yourself?
As tempting as that is, which that is very tempting. I love Costco pizza.
Griffin lives off of pizza, period.
Yeah, if it's pizza, I'm gonna like it most likely. But no, I don't even think that could. Now there's pumpkin seeds on the ground.
First carving in the house. That's going in the album.
All right, it was Macappa.
Ooh, my kappa.
There's a video from when I was a wee lad.
Oh, we gotta find that.
I don't know where it is, but
Parents' house.
we were carving pumpkins, and the camera goes away, but you can hear me scream, "I hate this stuff!"
Still holds true.
Mm-hmm.
Here comes the airplane.
Alright, you know what? There's good enough and there's better than it has to be. I'm not trying to be Walgreens over here. I'm going with good enough.
That's what you get for choosing the perfect pumpkin.
It's a blessing and a curse.
Did
Alright.
you know if you would have picked up some moldy ass pumpkin, I would have raked you over the coals. So Griffin has a soft spot for Sven because Griffin dressed up as Kristoff one year.
It did.
Griffin made this little girl's dreams come true because she got to meet Kristoff.
At work, we were told to dress up. Family came through and they asked if I knew the reindeer song. And of course, I'm gonna know the reindeer song. I take Halloween very seriously when it comes to dressing up as a character. I become that character.
Oh, is this gonna be it?
You see what I mean when they say, it's like, oh, you just use the punch tool and that's it.
God, this is gonna be tedious as fuck.
I'm gonna take a different route. I'm gonna try to do it this way. I'm just gonna see. I mean, this is probably gonna end horribly.
Olaf's brows are not gonna be on fleek. Do you have a nail? It's like essentially a nail.
I probably do, actually. Good call.
Is that working?
Yeah.
I ended up just turning off the camera because this was taking really long. It's probably taking us, what, 2-3 hours to do this? This is how Olaf turned out. Disclaimer about this frozen carving kit that we got. It is harder than it looks. Sven has a lot of detail for a pumpkin carving, if you ask me. Low-key think he's about to give up right now. If I was a kid, I would have just said, F it, here mom and dad, finish it up. But it's okay, it was a fun first pumpkin carving experience. Got a learning curve for next year. I hope you guys enjoyed carving pumpkins with me. Let me know if you guys are carving pumpkins this year. What designs did you go through? Do you have any tips and tricks on carving? Definitely let me know in the comments below. Who or what did you carve? And don't forget to head over to Jami's channel. Her video will be linked in the description below to see who or what she carved. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.